1. A little bird told me you got a promotion at work. Congratulations. 有小道消息告诉我你在工作中升职了，恭喜你。Her. I heard a little bird told me that there's a surprise party planned for you. 我听说有小道消息告诉我，大家为你准备了一个惊喜派对。A little bird told me you might be moving to a new city soon. 有小道消息告诉我，你可能很快要搬到一个新城市。4. I can't reveal my source, but a little bird told me some exciting news. 我不能透露我的消息来源，但有小道消息告诉我一令人兴奋的消息。5. A little bird told me that your favorite band is coming to town next month. 有小道消息告诉我你最喜欢的乐队下个月要来这个城市。6. I heard a little bird told me you've been working on a secret project. 我听说有小道消息告诉我你一直在做一个秘密项目。7. A little bird told me you've been dating someone special. Spill the beans. 有小道消息告诉我你正在和一个特别的人约会，快说说吧。8. A little bird told me that the company is planning to expand next year. 有小道消息告诉我公司计划明年扩张。Down. I can't say who, but a little bird told me there might be layoffs soon. 我不能说是谁，但有小道消息告诉我可能会有裁员。是 A little bird told me you're thinking about taking a vacation. Where to? 有小道消息告诉我你在考虑去度假，去哪儿呢？